is up, everybody? We're out here at the track today. We've got the KLX and the KTM out here. So they have some pretty good trails out here, so I wanted to take the chance while I'm out here to take the KLX out. They have like a big trail loop. I think it's like a 7-mile trail loop, somewhere around there. And it's got some technical stuff. It's got some hill climbs, got some just tight stuff, and you guys will see. It's been a while since I've done it myself, but I wanted to test the KLX and see if it can come out here and do good on these trails, if I feel like it's holding up lacking. So let's go ahead and throw the GoPro on and get on the trails. All right. Oh, just tried to put the Z key in there accidentally. We are back and just did a few laps with the KTM so far, and chilled for a second. Got all my stuff set up over here, but yeah, I want to take the KLX out. That KTM is just like, it's just crazy, man. It gives you arm pumps so quick when you're on the track. Like when you're out on a track like that, I'm gonna get arm pump within like probably the first 2 or 3 laps, just because I'm not super conditioned. I haven't been riding tracks a ton lately. I'm really trying to get back into the swing of it. But yeah, I wanted to hop on the KLX and get a little trail ride in. So let's get it started up. All right, I'm not wearing goggles. There's an entrance over there, but I'm gonna enter over here. I'm not wearing goggles simply because I don't want to. It's a little dry right here, but I think once we get on the trail, we'll be all right. But yeah, we're at NCMP, North Carolina Motorsports Park. This is like my home track. Holy crap, that guy's kind of flying. They got the pro track over there. Got the Supercross track right here. I haven't hit that today. I will. And then they got some pretty awesome trails. They got like a nice little trail loop. I haven't done the full loop in a little while, so we'll see, but pretty sure we can hop on here. Woohoo! So it used to go down there, or sometimes you would come up it depending on which way you're going. But they got the arrows going to the side here, so we'll go that way. Before the day is over, I'm gonna do a hill climb up that. There's this hill climb, which is kind of fun. It's not anything crazy. And then there's one more, which is a little more steeper, a little longer, and that's a fun hill climb. We're gonna test out the KLX 300 on that as well. Whoa! I tried to jump that and I kind of cased it a little bit. All right, skid plate did its job. Let's keep going. I accidentally shifted up and I tried to jump that little part and it did not work. Oh yeah, suspension feels good. Which way are we going? This way? So yeah, some tight little turny trails here. Nothing too bad yet. Woo! Yeah, this is like my first time honestly riding this KLX with boots on, so shifter feels a little funky, but we're getting used to it. I'll probably move it a little bit. Let's go in this way, see if this one goes anywhere different. I'm not sure. Oh! Yeah. Dumped her. Actually bent my little lever out a little bit. Not gonna lie, I actually like it more now. All right, we're gonna redeem ourselves. That first trail run, I couldn't find the, or we didn't end up going on a long trail loop. I mean, don't get me wrong, we hit some good trails, hit some good little fast trails, but I never found the hill climb that I wanted. So what I'm gonna do is just go on the old trail loop that I know and kind of ignore the markings, and hopefully we can go where I'm thinking of. All right, yeah, so the old trail that I remember goes down this hill. So we're just gonna take this path for now. Woo! It's nice and cool back here on the trail. Woo! I'm gonna take it easier for a second here and kind of find where I'm trying to go. Yeah, but really the only complaint so far is the obvious, which is the weight. Let's see. Do I want to go? I'm gonna go up here. You definitely feel the extra weight on a trail, comparing it to like maybe a 200-pound trail bike, whatever. And where I particularly feel that weight is the front end. But woohoo! That's a deep rut right there. But that's comparing it to, like, you know, the KTM or my old Yamaha or whatever, so that's the obvious. I'm surprised those tires just got out of that rut, to be honest. Yeah, this is more where I was wanting to go back here. Just cruising along these. Got a little creek over here. That got a little tight. I gotta put these back foot pegs up with boots. You can feel those. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. Yeah, I don't know how much longer this trail goes, but this is definitely like a nicer, longer trail than the first one we got on. Ooh. We'll see if we find the hill climb. I think it might be close, but I could be wrong. Nice little bridge. Oh yeah, we're coming up on the hill climb. Yeah, where I fell earlier and bent this in a little bit, I actually kind of like it more like that now. I can use the 2-finger clutch and it not hit my other fingers over here, so kind of works out all right. But let's keep going here. We got the hill climb just up here. And no, this is not it. Wait, what? They must have had a race here or something. This is a lot more worn down. So we're trucking up the hill, and then I'll go down, not this hill, but it's on the other side of this up here. Real rocky up here too, as you guys can see. It's super rocky and rough. But yep, we made it to the hill climb. So as you can see, a lot of rocks on it right now, a lot of big rocks, so you got to be careful about what line you pick. I hear something down there. I don't know if they're coming up or if they're just passing by. Alright guys, let's do it. I'm not sure what line I want to go. Usually, recently-ish, I've been coming on this side. I've been coming up this side rather than this side, but we'll see. I don't know. It looks pretty bad. I mean, and there's this little cheat line off to the side right here. Whoo, this is steep. But where does that cheat line put you? Puts you kind of right out in the middle. Might have to try that little line first. And as y'all can see, there's like no run up to this. So that's awesome. So this will be a good test for the KLX. I think it can do it though. Alright, well for this first run, I'm just going to go around that side. Even though I said it was a little cheat line, I'm going to try that one first. Alright, easy up the cheat line. So I do like that middle line, but then you hit that root right there. And that rock, but probably be alright. Whoa! Let off the brake a little early. I mean, look how rocky it is just to get up. Let's see. I got a line. Maybe. Whew. Alright. Let's send it. Woohoo! Heck yeah. I mean, that was no problem for this thing. I felt comfortable all the way up. Not unbalanced or anything, so that's awesome. That's the biggest hill climb I know of here at this place. It's not huge, but it's definitely difficult being down there where you have like 10 feet of run up, and I'm sure the GoPro might not make it look as steep, but it's pretty damn steep. It's hard to stay on the brakes going down it, even when you're not giving it gas. But let's keep moving on this trail and finish out this loop. Here we go. This might be back where we were on before. Can't quite remember. Yep. The skid plate's been doing its job, I'll tell you that, because didn't mean to hit the horn. because I bottomed her out a few times today on these big ruts. So I'm glad I got this. I'm glad I got the skid plate on it. All right, guys. Well, I would say the KLX did just... I'd say the KLX did a good job out there. That was some tight stuff. That was some bumpy stuff. You saw the hill climbs to yourself. Those are some real trails, guys, and the KLX handled it fine. As I said before, the only thing I'd mention, which is to be expected, would be just a heavier weight, and like I said, that's kind of more noticeable in the front end. So just be careful with that front brake in the trails, I'd say, and you should be all right. But yeah, the 300 gets the pass on these trails, and be sure to subscribe and drop a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.